Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the steps to create a new channel in Slack. So let's get started. Start by opening Slack and navigating to the Workspace where you want to create a new channel. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to create channels within the Workspace. Once in the workspace, look for the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen and you will find a section labeled Channels. Click here and then Create Channel. A window will pop up prompting you to create a new channel. Enter a name for your new channel in the provided field. You can also add a brief description to help users understand the channel's purpose. Choose the privacy settings for the channel. Slack offers two privacy options, public and private. Public channels are visible and accessible to all members in the workspace, while private channels are invite only. Once you have entered the details and chosen the privacy settings, click Create to finalize the creation of the channel. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.